Hey guys, welcome back. We're out here in the garage. We're working on Band-Aid. We got the speakers hooked up. And I got my 8-channel 3500. I forget.
8-channel 3500 watt Rockville Atom 8.
Okay, what he said.
Pretty nice amplifier. You want to show them the back of it too and all the sides?
There's the back.
Cool. Looks good.
Look at that.
It's a good priced amp.
Those are all the channels I see.
I'll have links in the description of on my channel, RNG Performance, on my YouTube channel, where you guys can follow every detail of this build. You're just what?
I'm just the sneak peek person. That's all.
You just want to do sneak peeks.
Yeah.
You're not doing detail.
No, I'm
videos.
not. Nope. That's all on you.
Why do you leave it all on me?
Because I do, because you're good like that.
So what do you think of that amp? That's a beautiful amp.
It is. Very pretty. I like it.
Very pretty.
There's lots of different buttons and things.
Yeah. Well, I know how to hook that up. That's good.
I'm glad you do.
You want to tell them what we're doing, like the tweeters?
Oh yeah, he ordered some tweeters.
DS18 tweeters to go in the center?
To go in the centers.
Right there.
And we were talking, it just seems like those go in there perfect.
What about the subwoofer that's going under the seat?
Oh yeah, that's in the back.
They'll be able to see that on my channel.
Mm-hmm. With the install and everything.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to tell them about this build that they might not know?
I don't think so.
No, you're secretive. We're
No.
not allowed to say nothing.
Nothing.
Jeez.
Nothing.
Wait till you guys see the video coming out on my channel. She's yelling at me. How's about you haven't really talked about what you like about this machine.
Oh, I really like it.
Maybe you could tell them, because some of your viewers and some of my viewers are wanting one and they were wanting our thoughts, but we haven't
really taken it anywhere, because I mean we took it down the road for like a stroll, and I tell you what, it was smooth.
Very smooth, except for the clutch.
The clutch, that's the only thing.
Need a RNG Performance clutch kit, www.rngperformance.net.
Yes,
I like that plug.
Yes,
You like that plug?
I do.
Yeah, definitely. Tell them about the clutch.
The clutch.
Yeah, it is bad. It sucks.
But it's crazy that the ride is so smooth, but you got that.
Well, that's suspension-wise, it's smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Suspension-wise, it's real smooth. And plus, with it being a long wheelbase vehicle, it's already going to be smoother than something like this.
Yeah.
Stock, even though mine rides better than this.
Yes.
But mine also has John Hester Stage 4 Elkas on it. This is all stock,
Yes.
stock wheels, stock everything. And I know you already did an unboxing of the wheels and tires that we're doing. So, yeah. All right, well, we'll update them here in a couple of seconds.
Yep.
That looks good in there,
It
don't
does. Looks really good.
I can't wait to hear it.
I know. I can't either. I'm excited.
I'd like to have it wired up, but dummy me.
You didn't order enough speaker wire.
I didn't order any at all.
No.
Thought I had enough. I don't. I have enough other wire, like power wires.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perks of working at a car lot for 6 years, 5 years, however long I was there. That looks good. I mean, what do you think?
I think it looks good too.
You think that little sub's gonna thump?
I'm a little afraid to see what it's gonna do.
I know somebody that said that they have one in their Jeep. His name is Gary
Yeah.
Patrick. I didn't know this.
Yeah.
He's seen it in your video. He said, I have one. I said, you got the 10 or the 8? He said he had the 8, which is what you have.
Nice.
And he said it thumps.
So it's gonna be thumping.
It's going to be thumping.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going to be thumping.
I'm excited to.
Those are like the creme to the creme for this kind of, this stuff. And if it's not enough thump, well, we either need more wattage. If that's not enough thump, then we need more wattage plus 2.
I think it's gonna be plenty enough.
Or we need subwoofers that take up the bed.
Oh no. No.
Huh?
No. We're good.
We're good? We
Yeah.
can't have that?
No.
Oh.
That'll be too much.
Why would it be too much? Oh, I think it's coming.
Think so too.
Now, you know what we need to do? We need to go down there in my inventory stash.
Mm-hmm.
And we need to get out one of them switch panels that I like to use.
Yes.
And if you're wanting one of them switch panels, where can they get it?
At rngperformance.net.
Yeah. I stock them.
Mm-hmm.
They sell out pretty quick, but I stock them. And we'll probably end up mounting it. The last UForce I did, I mounted it right there.
That'd be smart putting it right there.
It makes wiring things so much better. Like, so much better. Because you don't have to run a billion wires to a billion switches.
Yeah, it's all right there.
It's one fuse panel. You run power to it and bada bing, bada boom.
That's cool.
Yeah, makes nice
Yep.
things happen. Easy.
Yes. All right. Well, you got it.
Remember, 500 subscribers, you told them.
500 subscribers. I think I'm at 90 something on my Facebook. And I think I'm close to, I don't know how many's on YouTube. Do you remember what I told you?
I don't, 80
I can't,
something?
yeah.
So they got, man, I'd hate to see your
So
channel disappear.
We'll see.
I know it's possible. I know more than 500 people are watching you.
I know.
And I know more than 500 people watch me. And I know we can get them there. You know what? I'm going to sweeten the deal.
What?
If you get 500 subscribers within the month and
Yeah.
you don't have to close out your account,
Yeah.
I'll give something very, 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 very nice away on my channel.
Oh, wow. You hear that?
So, if you do that within 30 days, starting from the day you uploaded that video,
Yes.
if not,
Count goes bye-bye.
yeah, and that's all you.
Yeah.
You don't even want to do it at all.
Not really.
I mean, you do. You
I
just
do,
you don't.
but no.
You want to do Facebook. You don't want to do YouTube.
No.
Yeah. So we all kind of talked you into doing YouTube, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, until next time, we'll get to wiring.
Yes. We'll see you guys.